Well, dear friends of BMW, the details are still hidden beneath the camouflage. But I'm sure you will recognize the classic proportions of a typical BMW sporty sedan, more sporty than ever, the new BMW i3. It will be released next year as the series version, and of course, it's an all-electric version. And it will be the first model variant of the new 3 Series generation. And for the past 50 years and over 7 model generations, no other vehicle has been as closely tied to the success of the BMW brand. The 3 Series embodies everything at the very core and at the very heart of BMW. Innovation, digital user experience, comfort, sportiness, and together these characteristics create an incomparable driving experience. Sheer driving pleasure at its finest. After the launch of the i3, more variants will follow. We'll keep you posted.
The Neue Klasse will be everywhere.